Okay, in yesterday's class we have already discussed that what is distance, what is displacement, and distance can be always positive, yes, displacement can be positive, negative, so on things what we have yesterday already discussed. Let us try to understand this by examples. Let us say example number 1. You should be saying me oral answers. In the beginning we will start with very chinna examples, okay? Now consider A and this is what? B. Total distance is what? 10 meter. What is the distance? AB distance is how much? 10 meter. Displacement? Also 10 meter. Yes. चलो आगे आते हैं example number 2. Body started from point A, reached to point B. In this direction, body traveled, let it may be 20 meters. Then body moved here, stopped at C, and it traveled a distance of, let it may be 5 meters. 5, 10, 15, कुछ भी ले लो भाई. 5 meters. Total distance A to C. अरे A to C बोल भाई. A to C is equals to what? 25 meters. Displacement A to C 15 meters. पक्का? Okay. Example number 3. A and this is B. Center radius is R. Distance बताओ. Yes, obviously, full circle is 2 pi r. Yes, distance become 2 pi r upon 2. That is what? Pi r. Displacement बता दो. From A to B we are talking about. अरे r plus r यार. Simple answers. R plus r 2r. Okay, next example. A, this one is B, C and D having a radius R. Question is, column बना देते हैं. Let us make a column. इधर बना देते हैं column. Path, distance and displacement. AB, AC, AD and let come back to E. Object is moving in this direction. You have only 2 minutes. Tell me the answer. Okay, how many of you got the answers? Now, first one is AB. Can I say AB is this curved path? Whole circle circumference is 2 pi r. 2 pi r means half becomes A to C, pi r. This becomes pi r by 2. Okay. So from A to B, distance is what? Pi r. Similarly, can I say B to C is also pi r? C to D and D to E or back A, pi r. Now, distance A to B, first answer pi r. Then AC, pi r plus pi r. अरे पागल हो गया है क्या तू? पाई आर बाई 2 आता है वो. A to B pi r by 2. Second AC. AC is pi r. Then AD 3 pi r by 2. And this one is 2 pi r. Now let us find the displacement. Center. This one also becomes r. This one becomes r. R square plus r square. This is your AB now. Yes or no? Then this becomes r square plus r square. This becomes root 2 r. Okay. AC. R plus of r. This one r. Then AC becomes 2r. AD. A to D is also same na. A to B is 2 pi r. Root 2 r. Obviously this also becomes root 2 r na. Root 2 r. Then what? AE 0. How many of you got these answers? Okay, very good. Okay, shall I rub the board? How many questions we have done? In reality, only one. Okay, next question. We have to do this answer completely. First, tell me, do the answer, then tell me the answer. Okay, now. कैसा बनाऊं? Okay. Plane moves 400 meters north, then to 300 meter south, and then 1200 meters upwards. Try this answer. Okay, in majority of your books I have seen that. Let's see what you have done. This one is north, this one is south, then east west, nothing is there. Okay, first thing, 400 meter towards north. Then 300 meter towards south. Then 1200 meter upward na. So majority of you have done like this. This one is your answer, 1200, and I think many of you got answer like this becomes 100 plus of from there to there 1200, and displacement answer is 1300 na. 1300 meter. This answer is wrong. Let me tell you why. This question is based on navigation. In navigation, whenever we use the term upward, initially they have used the terminology like clear terminology, north, then south, then upward. North, upward, obviously, then south, downward in that direction. Then what is the meaning of this upward? Upward means moving towards a positive axis. Okay, and downward means moving toward the negative axis. Why? In which axis? Upward means we have taken positive axis only, na? 1200 meter upward positive axis? No. In reality, this diagram should be like this. $400 meter upward, that means towards north, then 300 meters towards your south, then upward. Either you should be taking from here till here 1200 meter. This is the upward, or 1200 meter outside the board. Now O is your origin. Let this point be C. Then OC is your actual displacement. This becomes 90 degree. 1200 from here to here is 100. 100 square and 1200 square. So OC is nothing but under the root of 100 square plus of 1200 square. Tell me the final answer. Huh? 1204. So OC is nothing but 1204 meter, or nearly equal to 1200 meters. Got my point? Next question. A person moves 30 meters towards north and a person moves 30 meter towards north and 30 meter towards east. Then √2 meter towards southwest. Be careful. Something is given here. You will draw the diagram. First draw the diagram. Okay. This is your north, this is your south, this is your east, here is the west. What is happening? A person moves 30 meter towards north. So 30 meter towards north, then 30 meter towards east. So 30 meter towards east. Then next 30 √2 meter toward southwest. Can I join this? Why? Okay. This one is 30. This one is also 30. In the question it has been given southwest. Southwest means 45 degree. Southwest means what? 45 degree. Southwest, northeast, anything like these words. That means the angle is given 45 degree. So if this is 45 degree and object is moving in this direction by how much? 30 √2 meter. Then can I resolve like this? This one becomes minus 30 √2, sine of 45 degree j cap. Similarly in this direction, over here, this becomes 30 √2 cos of 45 degree I cap with a negative sign. Anything else left out? No. Let us find the net displacement. First thing, upward, that is towards north. That can I write 30 j cap? Then in this direction, how much? Positive, na? So positive 30 I cap. Then minus of solving that 30 √2 cos 45, cancel each other. This one and this one get cancelled out. So this becomes minus 30 I cap. Then next, similarly this sine 45 √2 get cancelled. Minus of 30 j cap. This one, and this one get cancelled. Net displacement becomes 0. Same type, or shall I increase the level? One more. Okay. Next example. Same question. 30 meter towards north, then 20 meter towards किधर लेके जाऊं, east, and 30√2 meter towards southeast. Okay, let me see how many of you have got correct answers. This is your north, south, east, and this is your west. 30 meter towards north, no? First thing? Okay. 30 meter towards north. Then what? 20 meter towards east. 20 meter towards east. Southwest? 30√2. 45 degree. 45 degree means either this 20 should be equal over here 20, or this 30 should be taking over here. But in reality, in this direction, in east direction, object has only moved towards 20 meter. That means I can make this as a 20 meter mark roughly. Then can I join these two lines? Then and then only this becomes 45 degree, and from here to here it becomes 20 meters. Can I? Okay. Without calculation also we can tell the answer. This becomes 10. Obviously this becomes 10. Over here alternate interior angles na. If this one is 45 degree, this also becomes 45 degree. If this one is 20, obviously this becomes 10. If this is 10, obviously this also becomes 10. We can write like this also. Now this one is how much? 30√2. Resolve same thing like this. This becomes 30√2 sine of 45 degree j cap with a negative sign. Over in that direction, one component becomes 30√2 with a negative sign cos of 45 degree I cap. Okay, solve the answer. 30 meter, sorry. 30 meter, 30 j cap plus of 20 I cap minus of 30 I cap minus कितना है वो 30 j cap. So can I cancel this negative 30 j cap, this positive 30 j cap, and the answer will be minus 10 I cap. Minus 10 I cap means west है ना भाई. So 10 meters towards west. Shall I? Last example on this. Then we will be moving to speed and velocity. Okay. Question is, this is your x-axis, y-axis, this is your z-axis, and this is your origin. Its radius is r. This one and this one both are parallel to each other. Okay, and this one is perpendicular, and finally object moved in this direction. Okay, and from here to here object traveled r, and from this point to this point object traveled 2r. Question is, find the total distance and the displacement. Let's say distance. Let us calculate the distance first. From O to, let it maybe A, this point as A. So OA plus of this becomes B, and let's see, this becomes C. So OA plus of AB plus of BC is nothing but your distance, and distance is OA is pi r plus of AB is r plus of 2r, or this can be written as 3r pi r. 3r pi r means 3 plus of pi r. This is your distance. Let us find displacement. Now what is the displacement? Displacement is the shortest path between initial point. This is your initial point and this is your final point. So can I say like this? Joining from origin to this point. Okay. To find that, we need to find this first. क्या नाम था भाई इसका? ABC. Okay. We need to find this first. We need to find OB. To find OB, can I say in this triangle OAB, in this triangle, this one is 2r, OA is 2r na? भाई what distance है? OA plus of AB. So in this triangle, this OB becomes 2r square, that means 4r square, 4r square plus this r square, 5r square under the root. So OB becomes root 5r. If OB is root 5r, then root 5r this 2r. So to calculate OC, root 5r square plus 4r square. Root 5r square plus of OC. We are calculating OC here. Then what? 4r square. Sorry, 2r square. So this becomes 5r square plus of 4r square, that is nothing but 9r square, and this is nothing but 3r. So your displacement is how much? 3r. Distance is what? 3 plus pi r. Okay.